Okay, so I just pulled up to one of our flip properties, and from the looks of it, there might be some people that are in the property that shouldn't be. A little bit of a backstory on this one. Bought this one at auction several months ago. The previous owners were in the property. Basically, we had to file an eviction on them. During the eviction process, we settled that we would actually just let them be in the house for 4 months, because basically where we're at, it's going to take 4 months to get them out anyway. And they were like, hey, give us 4 months and we'll be out. It seemed like a good decision at the time. So 4 months come, they never leave. We then have to go and call the sheriff, file a lockout against them, and get them actually physically removed from the property. This was, I don't know, maybe like just a few weeks ago. So we had to have them physically removed by law enforcement. Since then, like, great. All right, our house is vacant, ready to start renovations. Let's start getting some contractors over. This week, started sending contractors over to the property. We had keys for it on a lockbox on the front door, letting contractors in to just start getting bids. One of our contractors calls us up and says, hey, there are people living in here. The tenants had broken back in the property. Call the sheriff's department again. This was yesterday. Removed them from the property, arrested them, took them, booked them, but released them the same day, because that's how it works in Portland. When people break and enter, there are no consequences. And I'm coming here this morning to just get in the home, film this YouTube video with you guys. And when I show up here, I'm sitting across from the house. There is a motorhome that has been parked in front of the property. I haven't gone up there yet, but it appears as though they might have came right back and broken back into the property. I'm hoping that's not the case, but I don't really know. So anyway, we're gonna go up there, we're gonna check it out, see what's going on. I'm hoping it's not some sort of a hostile situation, but we're gonna go poke our nose up there together and just see if they broke into the house and see what these people have to say on why they're on my property. There's the motorhome behind me there. As you can see, they parked on the street and they're kind of blocking the view of the house. So we're gonna go poke up in there and see what's going on. We got a motorhome in front, as you can see. Looks like they moved a U-Haul onto the property as well. And we got some doors open. Some lights on in this back shed back here. There's a shed back here. Some lights are on. Okay, we're gonna poke underneath here and see what's going on. Okay. Nothing under there. Let's see if I'm gonna see if there's keys on the front door still, so we can get inside here. Some large shoes at the front door. Keys are here. Kind of sketchy, gotta watch my back here. Hello. I don't know, man. I haven't heard anything, but there's just shoes at the front door, which is weird. Like someone took off their shoes and could be inside potentially. Okay. Nice big backyard, a little overgrown. We got a shed here. Like some old woodworking shed. I just saw some lights on, so I figured I'd come back here, see if anyone was poking around in here, but table saw, some other tools here, but no one in sight, which is good. Let's take a quick peek in the back window here, see if we can see anything. It really appears like they're here. I don't know if I feel comfortable just going inside unarmed without a sheriff present, or at least being armed. Like, it's a little sketchy. The fuck? This sliding glass door here. Okay, no, it's blocked. There's a rod in there, or something blocking it from opening. I wish there was a way I could call my brother right now and ask him if that U-Haul was in place before.
Hello.
Hey, can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
I was coming out here to this property in Gresham that had the lockout that took place yesterday or whatever. So I'm here now filming a YouTube video. Was there a U-Haul in the driveway yesterday?
It has not been there since at least Friday last week. She's never had a U-Haul. It's only been that motorhome and a green Subaru.
Okay, gotcha. Those are still here, but there's also a U-Haul in the driveway backed up to the garage door that's partially open. So,
Gotcha.
Anyway, all right, well, if, okay. Do you think I should just call Rudy and tell them, like, what do you think?
Well, do you know, have you gone, like, to the inside yet?
No.
Yeah.
Tell me a little something about her. Was it just her or what? There was like some giant shoes by the front door, like a freaking size 14 shoe sitting at the front door. I'm like, all right.
It's just her and I don't know how old he is, maybe like 16, 17-year-old son.
Have they been hostile at all or no?
No, not to me.
All right, well, if you don't hear from me soon, this is where I'm at. All right, I gotta go.
Okay,
Bye. At this point, the sliding door is all locked up. I can't really see inside the windows. It's hard to tell if someone is inside or not. It seems like they are due to the garage door being open, but I don't know. I'm gonna do some more investigation here. Okay. Okay, let's get in here. Okay. Nothing out of the ordinary other than whatever's going on there. Curious if that door is, if this back door to the garage is open or not, but we're gonna find out here. Okay, so the back door to the garage is locked. So even if they've been in here clearing things out, I mean, sure, they could have, maybe they are inside and they've locked this door and they broke in through a window, like, who knows? Wouldn't be the first time, right? This happened as of yesterday. But the house could be secured and they've just reworked their way back into the garage here. I'm not really sure, but I think I'm gonna poke my head in the front door a little more, see what we see. So let's go. Here's a notice from the city that the water's being turned off due to non-payment. Hello. Hello. Jesus Christ. A fucking cat in here. Hello? Hello, hello? Hey, if anyone's in here, just let me know so we're not, you don't startle me. Jesus Christ. What the hell? Look out. Jesus Christ. Lights are on in here. I don't know if I want to clear the entire house, to be honest with you, and go into all the back bedrooms. We got animals in there. It's a little eerie feeling. That cat scared the shit out of me. Maybe this cat wants out. That'd be great. Come on out, kitty. Get this cat out of my house. It's a bobcat. Look at that thing. It's got no tail. Let me just look at these. I mean, it's giant kitchen knives lying out. Uh-oh. Jesus Christ, another one. Obviously, I'm a little skittish here because the kitty cats are startling me. All right, so we're just gonna lock this place up here real quick. Oh shit. Someone just cracked the motorhome door right there. They just opened the motorhome door and let a couple cats in. Hey there, how are you? I'm just gonna head inside and look around and make sure that everything was secure and kind of start putting together our scope of work for the renovations that are gonna be done in the future. I just wanted to make sure that no one was inside and poking around or anything.
Yeah, the police are already here.
It's what, I'm sorry?
The police are already here.
Oh, they were this morning?
No.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys haven't been back inside?
No.
Okay.
I'm sorry. You're gonna go back in and, oh no, you went in and you're gonna.
Well, I first poked my head in there. I wasn't sure if someone was still in there, so I got a little nervous. So I wanted to talk to you, make sure I wasn't.
Oh yeah, no, there's nobody.
Nobody inside?
No.
Okay, good. And then, no, I'm just here to try to put together a budget for repairs here once, everything gets cleared out and all that stuff. So, yeah.
So when are they supposed to be here?
For what? Potentially today.
Okay.
So, yeah. Are you going to be able to get
Absolutely.
the motorhome and everything's out of here today? Okay. This too, the U-Haul? Okay. Well, good. I appreciate that.
Can I walk through now?
No, you'll have to wait for somebody else to let you in. Okay? All right, thank you. Okay, so we were just able to talk to the previous tenants there for a brief moment, and they are assuring me that this motorhome and the U-Haul that is backed up to the garage door will be out of here today. But again, this has kind of been these people's stories for a while now. That's why we're, in the situation that we're in. We'll see if this actually takes place and they actually follow through with their word on this one, but I would say highly unlikely. So I'll be coming back out here just to check on the property again to see if they actually did follow through. As far as the house goes, I'm gonna need to spend another day here putting, or another video, I should say, just putting a rehab budget together because I was more concerned about my safety than assessing the situation of the repairs when I was inside. All right, guys, so stay tuned. I'll be back out here. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, see ya.